Today I'm headed to my local Dollar Tree to see what's new. Come along with me, let's see what we can find. When I entered my Dollar Tree, I noticed they have a whole new section called Shore Living. This section is filled with all beachy decor and craft items. They had some decorative jute ropes, some metal decor. These have like a chalkboard inside of them. Just different metal signs. These have like seahorses and starfish on them. There's like a metal lighthouse. They have all different kinds of wood cutouts that you can craft with, straws, home decor items. It was a whole wall of this beachy themed decor. There's napkin rings. They also have arts and crafts stuff like paintbrushes, some paint, like I said, the little wood cutouts that you can decorate and craft with, stickers. And then they had some of the home decor items. There's little pillows, pot holders, a drying mat for your dishes. There were some bowls, different cups. It was really nice how they had this displayed because they have all of the crafting items as well as like the ready to use home decor items all laid out on one wall in my Dollar Tree. So there's like decorative mesh you can create things with, nautical ribbons. This was a cute little like seashell plate. They just had a really nice selection. Everything else in my Dollar Tree was really picked over and empty, but they must have just started laying this section out because it was like really full and had lots of items in it. And here shows some of those party or home decor kitchen items, some towels, the bowls and cups. They also had some cutlery. They had some cute canvas pictures. Some have beach umbrellas. There's clouds. And here's like the paint. They had some signs. I actually bought the one that just says beach for a craft. And then they have all these really nice home decor signs that are ready to go. A lot of them are really cute. Like meet me at the seaside, life is better at the beach. That one's really cute. And I like the keep calm and stay anchored. That one was nice. And then my Dollar Tree also had the summer party decor, the leis, the decorative like pineapples, just all kinds of fun stuff for the summer. Some summer fun signs like I need vitamin C. The summer section also has some fun stuff if you're planning like a summer party or a luau. Lots of like fun decorative cups, plates and napkins. My Dollar Tree had these color changing LED tea lights, which I haven't seen. And I also really like these votive sized LED lights. And they also have candlestick LED lights. My Dollar Tree has a really good selection of stickers. They have stickers for every season. They bring out different stuff. Some of them are like three-dimensional stickers. These flamingos were cute. I'm just really impressed with the variety of stickers that you can find at the Dollar Tree. A lot of my Dollar Tree was empty. The spring like planting decor section was really empty. But they did have some of these little animal lights where their like eyes light up. I think they're kind of funny and cute. My Dollar Tree also has a large variety of craft fabric. There's some nautical beachy fabrics. They have solid ones and just some different patterns. I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video of this little tour of some of the items that I found at my Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching and have a great day.